Assalamu alaikum. I am Ambia Khan. Now I am going to express my project. My project name is Top 3 Biggest Stories of Database by me. And this is the imaginable image. From this pic, we can understand a little idea about how data is stored manually. Now, top now about database storage. The purpose of every database is to store information, text, images, even media files. All dynamic modern websites rely on one or more databases for storing articles and other published content, information about the user's contact information, connection to other websites, ads, etc. And just like anything else, storing information will require a space to be stored in. Top 3 biggest storage of database are Google, NERSC, Sprint. Google. As of my knowledge, there is no fixed storage capacity for Google database. It is increasing day by day. As you know, every day mass of new data needs to be added as per the requirements of users. There are around 50,000 plus servers in the 50,000 plus containers housed inside. In terms of internet database, Google is king. By the numbers, 91 million searches per day accounts for 50% of all internet searches, virtual profiles of countless number of users. And the number 2 is NERSC, National Energy Research Scientific Computing Center of NERSC. The second largest database in the world belongs to the National Energy Research Scientific Computing Center, or NERSC, in Oakland, California. The database is privy to a host of information including atomic energy research, high-energy physics experiments, simulation of the early universe, and more. Perhaps our best bet at traveling back in time is to fire up NERSC supercomputers and observe the Big Bang. By the numbers, 2.8 petabytes of data, operated by 2,000 computational scientists. And the number 3 is Sprint. Sprint is one of the world's largest telecommunication companies as it offers mobile service to more than 53 million subscribers, and prior to being sold in May of 2006, offered local and long-distance landline packages. By the numbers, 2.85 trillion database rows, 365 million call detail records processed per day, and packs 70,000 call detail record insertion per second. And last, thank you for watching.